Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato miso soup. Tofu is not the only ingredient for the miso soup. Sweet potato miso soup is very hearty, slightly sweet, and it's delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with the sweet potato miso soup, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Some sweet potato. It's about 300 grams because I want to load my miso soup with sweet potato, but you can use less. About 4 tablespoons miso paste, 2 teaspoons hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, and some green onion. I'm cutting the sweet potato first. I'm going to use it with the skin on, so let's wash it really well. Cut both ends off because it's dried out. You can cut it as you like, but I normally cut it this way. Into half, long way. Then into chunks. Like this thickness. Let's put 4 cups of cold water into the pot. That's 2 and 4. 2 teaspoons hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, sweet potato, put the lid on and cook it over medium-low heat until sweet potatoes are all nice and soft. Make sure to cook it over medium-low or lower. If the heat is too high, the sweet potato dance in the broth and break into little pieces. While you're cooking the sweet potato, let's slice the green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them in half, put them together. Cut them in half, put them together, and slice thinly. Let's put it in the small bowl. And put it aside. I'm going to put the green onion at the very last minute so that it doesn't lose a fresh flavor. I cooked it for about 10 minutes. Let's check if it's completely cooked. Put the toothpick. And if it goes through easily, that means it's cooked. It's time to add the miso paste. Let's put the miso in this miso strainer. You could add the miso straight into the pot. By using this kind of miso strainer or small tea strainer, you don't have to worry about having chunk of miso in your soup bowl. And dunk the strainer into the broth and push the miso out. Right after you put the miso, you start to smell rich flavor of miso. When you start to smell that, turn the heat off and add green onion. Give it a quick mix. Serve in the soup bowl. Sweet potato miso soup is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Soup first. Sweet potato. The soup is salty and savory, and sweet potatoes are so sweet. It's such a good balance of sweetness and saltiness. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Sweet potato miso soup goes here. Sweet potato has a lot of carbs. I think I want to go for sobolodon with less rice than usual. Egg and pork crumbles on top of sobolodon replace main dish, so nothing here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either homemade or off the shelf. For the other side dish, how about tuna mayo daikon salad? I hope you enjoy the meal. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!